talk to the stars of tomorrow and let you vote on their music on Instagram.
That's horrible. Tornado warning is coming to my house.
Disney Plus blockbuster offer. For a limited time, get 3 months of Disney Plus for just $1.99 a month.
With MSC Cruises, discover big on a mini getaway or treat yourself.
Okay, here we go. Tornado warning.
Tornado warning for the following county: Volusia, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for central Volusia County in east central Florida until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Osteen or near Deltona, moving north at 45
Fuck, tornado warning's coming.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Holy fuck.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Deltona, DeLand, and Orange City around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. DeLand Airport around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Casadega. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Holy fuck. Tornado warning's coming, y'all. Oh my fucking god. Tornado warning is coming.